Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if you are seeing the error in message stream, messages in ChatGPT, and responses are not loading properly, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix this problem. So, firstly, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause message stream errors. Next, refresh the ChatGPT page or completely close and reopen the app. Temporary glitches are often fixed with a simple restart. And if the problem continues, now open the settings app, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on ChatGPT. Now tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page and open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for ChatGPT. Now update it if not. After this, go back to the home page. You should also check whether ChatGPT servers are experiencing an outage. If the services is down, you will need to wait until OpenAI resolves the issue. Another useful step is to log out of your account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve account related errors. And if you are using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily and then test ChatGPT again. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.